Ladies and gentlemen, for our third epic awardee, let's all welcome Dr. Xanya Sofra.
Philippine Academy of Medical Specialists Incorporated bestows this award to Dr. Xanya Sofra Wise, recognition and sincere appreciation of her exemplary dedication and contribution in providing the latest academic updates in the fields of neurophysiology, genetics, psychology, anti-aging, aesthetic medicine, clinical and laboratory research and training, and her inestimable support to the national efforts of the Philippine Academy of Medical Specialists Incorporated, given on the 15th day of November 2023 during the PAMS 29th Annual Convention, Grand Hyatt Manila, Bonifacio Global City, Taguig, signed by yours truly, Chairman 17th Epic Awards Committee, Dr. Rylan Flores, National President of PAMS, our overall chairman for the 29th Annual Convention, Dr. Anne Margaret C. Vicente. Once again, to our dear Board of Trustees,
we can ask a few words from our third epic award, Dr. Xanya Sofra.
Good afternoon and thank you very, very much. Your friend, the National President, Dr. Rylan Flores, the VP Chairman of the Board, Dr. Anne Margaret Vicente, the Executive Committee, the Board of Trustees. I'm sorry I'm getting excited about this. The Academy, Dr. Wilford Tagle, the CEO, Dr. Daisy Lim Kamitan, and Dr. Dora Taus, the founder, and the Board of Trustees. This is a great honor, and thank you very, very much. I'll keep my speech very short so we can start the lectures. Thank you again.
Thank you so much, dear doctor. And now for our fourth epic award,